Hey there, it is Georgie from GSD Solutions here with another tutorial. In this video, we're going to go over how do you activate Zoom backgrounds in settings. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to zoom.us. Then you're going to go to the top right-hand corner, click on My Account. Once you're inside of your account, on the left menu bar, you're going to scroll down until you see Settings. You're going to hit Settings. Once inside of settings, you're going to use the search bar and you're going to type in virtual background. Once you type that in, you'll see the options to activate. So if it's not already activated, most accounts have this activated, but if you haven't already activated, just go ahead and make sure that it's blue. So you want to activate it at the top and the bottom. If you already have pre-designed backgrounds that you want yourself or your team to be able to use, you could click here, manage your virtual backgrounds, and upload your virtual backgrounds directly from here. We have another video where we talk about how to design a Zoom virtual background, and in that video, we go over how to activate it inside of your Zoom session. So click the link below in order to see that video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you can all turn on your settings to activate Zoom backgrounds inside of your account. Remember, if you like this video, go ahead and like it at the bottom, subscribe to our channel, and let us know if you need any help or have any questions. Let us know in the comments, or you can head on over to our website, gsdsolutionsinc.com. We help businesses and individuals scale up their businesses using technology. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.